All right, we back once again. We're going to be looking at these real-time patterns. I love these and how they show up, and you got the emerged and the confirmed signals. But we're going to try to put them in context too, because I don't think you can just come in here and blindly take a real-time pattern. All it is just a chart pattern, right? It's got a chart pattern. It's got some statistics built in. You've got some confidence levels on what you think, what the AI thinks the probabilities of this thing happening are occurring. Anyways, so our first one is going to be a SPY. Basically, I have this filter set up for Tesla, Apple, because those are my two stocks that I like to trade, and then SPY, QQQ, IWM. So we got the three ETFs that sort of encompass everything. So pretty easy. And then I've just got the 15-minute up to the 1 day as far as the filters. Okay. And I set the confidence level as 41%. And then you can set this confidence level however high you want to. The higher you go, the less signals, obviously. The lower you go, the more signals. 41% seems like, hey, if it's a 40% win rate, then your risk reward is going to be pretty solid on it. So as we can see here, the risk reward is pretty good. As a 365 breakout, 373. Do I think that's going to happen on Monday? Probably not, but you know what? This isn't exactly going to happen on 1 day. This is going to be a multi-day trade. Anyways, this right here, going into the beginning of the month, I really like this play. You can see it on the 30. I'm guessing that they're starting 9:30 a.m. So it's probably something like, you got a pattern like this, right? So I'm not going to put my drawings on there. Anyways, okay. So now we got a falling wedge. So we got QQQ and SPY, a broadening bottom and a falling wedge on QQQ. Very nice. So similar type of thing. Both emerged on Friday. So these are the type of trades people love. People love a falling wedge. People love a broadening bottom. Okay, so if a lot of folks are going to be looking at these, we're definitely going to be thinking bullish here. But we'd want to see some confirmation. So on Monday, I'll sit here and wait for these to confirm. And once they confirm, then we can at least take the trade, especially if things are looking bullish and we get this bullish confirmations. Yeah, very, very nice. The IWM. Who trades three rising valleys out there? Raise your hand. Three rising valleys, 169 to 176. Again, emerged on the 30th. Okay, so this is 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, 1 hour and 30-minute time frame. So we got the three indices all showing bullish patterns. Emerged on the 30th, which was yesterday. A very bearish day, by the way. Okay, we got a broadening bottom, which actually confirmed. So this is the same signal, only this one hasn't confirmed. This one has. This one actually broke to the downside. So there, and again, looking at the signals in context, you actually had a breakdown, and the target's 353. So if I were to be trading on Monday, we've got a confirmed sell here, but it's only 32%. And the distance to the target's only 1%. Whereas the upside potential, we got a higher confidence level, and the distance to the target is much higher. I would definitely be looking for these plays to play out versus this one. So yeah, I'm gonna be keeping an eye on this. If we're bearish, then I know 353 is a possibility on the 15-minute. And given that it's a smaller time frame, that's probably why the distance and the confidence level is lower. The lower the time frame, probably in general, the lower the confidence and the distance to the target. So we could definitely still play this out. Who knows? 353 is definitely in the cards for Monday. So 353 on SPY, be watching it. And then we got a falling wedge falling. This one actually confirmed on Friday as well as a breakdown. This one's saying this is on a 30-minute, so the distance higher, confidence level is still pretty low. But as of right now, you're still in these patterns which both look bullish and bearish, but the bearish side has confirmed. The bullish has not. All right, so now we're wedge falling on the 1 hour. So you got 30-minute wedge, 1 hour wedge, both of them confirmed. So now we got a 30-minute, a 1 hour, so we got multiple time frame confluence, continuity is what people would say, on the same pattern. And then we got bullish looking versions of it that haven't confirmed, but we got the bearish ones that have. So keeping all that in mind. And we got our SPY 1 hour wedge falling. They're calling it bullish, but it's only bullish if it confirms. Right now, the hourly one has confirmed to the downside. All right, now we got a bull flag on IWM on the 30-minute. Confidence level really high on these bullish plays, but you'd want to see them confirm. Now, I'm personally bullish on Monday, so as of right now, I'm leaning towards waiting for these bullish plays to confirm, even though everything is saying bearish, which I will play bearish until I see these things confirm, essentially. But I don't want to play bearish. I'm not bearish on Monday either. A head and shoulder top. Okay, that's on the 30-minute. That one confirmed. So that one confirmed sometime, basically at 149 on, and this was easy. Everybody saw this one on SPY, basically. You got the head and shoulder, and you got the head and shoulder right here. That was confirmed. So you can see that one. So right now we are in the middle of this head and shoulder pattern on the 30-minute. A cup and handle reverse on SPY. So I don't know. I can keep going on and on. I'm not going to take too much more time, but you can see how you can use these real-time patterns that is generated. You're looking at all of these patterns, both on a bearish and bullish basis, and you're getting the confidence level and the distance to targets, and you're able to kind of get some context with them as well, because you can see the bullish ones haven't confirmed, the bearish ones have confirmed. So some really objective ways at looking at the patterns. Now, everybody's looking at patterns, but can you look at all the patterns on all the time frames at once and kind of group them up and say, okay, well, these patterns seem like they have a way better risk to reward versus these patterns, instead of just looking at one pattern and going, yeah, I want to play that one pattern that I saw on the chart on the 15-minute, which is definitely possible. What if there are really bullish patterns showing up on the 30-minute or 1 hour, right? Maybe a bullish 1 hour pattern has confirmed, and you're still trying to play this 15-minute pattern with a lower confidence level. So it would be cool if you could have a filter with Tickeron, and I'm just putting this idea out there so I can give them my feedback, and then rank them based on confidence level, and then you can kind of start from there. So that might be something that I do. When I go through here from now on, is go through and just look at all the patterns and then rank them with confidence level. There's some Tesla plays that you can look at as well. Some of this stuff is free. There are free patterns free pattern alerts that are available on Tickeron, so go check them out. If you want the pricing on the real-time patterns, the cheapest way to get into it, I think, is let's see. We're gonna want real-time patterns here. I'm going to have to log out here. Hold on. I don't want you guys seeing my stuff here. Hold on a second. Okay. So this is my personal version, not the one that they gave me. So beginner, yeah, we don't want that. You want the real-time patterns. You're probably going to want to do not the search engine, because you want real-time patterns. Real-time patterns, $100 a month. There you go. I know folks are paying more money right now for something that doesn't give them everything I just went over. You don't get any kind of value versus being able to look at all the patterns and all the time frames and then rank them based on confidence level. For $100 a month, you wouldn't be able to get that, I'm pretty sure. So definitely worth the value there. Just that alone. Not only that, you get the AI screener, and then you get one AI robot, those are really cool too. So the trend prediction engine as well. $100 a month, day trader, probably the best bet. And if you do that, go to my link in the description, please, and help a brother out. Anyways, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.